Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here I am at Hobby Lobby taking a look at all of their fall decor, so come on with me guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and click that like button and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay, so now this is an announcement for an open invite collaboration, and that's called A Princess Dream. Now this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tammy from the Glam Queen of Decor. Now this collaboration is part of a 3-part series, and it's preparing the bride for her wedding. And who doesn't love a winter wonderland wedding? I love it. So we're doing it in 3 parts, and I'm so honored to have the Glam Queen of Decor with me in this collaboration. Now all of the information that you're going to need for this collaboration is going to be in my community tab. So there's many different parts to a wedding, and so from big to small, nothing is insignificant. I would love to have all of you remember it's an open invite and everybody is invited to participate. I am so excited about all of this. I'm just like a little kid dreaming of a winter wonderland wedding and Prince Charming. Isn't that amazing? Now remember that I'm going to be posting all of the information that you're going to need in the community tab. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music to continue showing you what they have here at Hobby Lobby, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I can be in this store all day long. So if you enjoyed the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit this notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.